Good day and welcome back to the channel. Now, if you watched my last video, you would recall that my reel mower suffered a mechanical damage when the intermediate drive gear was damaged. Now, while I waited for the replacement part, I actually mowed the lawn using my rotary scissors. While it did a respectable job, it really doesn't replace the quality of the mow I get from the real mower. So thankfully, the replacement part has arrived. So today I will be replacing the intermediate drive gear, and I will then give the lawn a mow using the real mower. So how it works, the engine crankshaft is connected to this pulley. This pulley has a drive belt. The drive belt is connected to a pulley with another drive gear, and then this is the intermediate gear that goes between the two, and thus transmitting the motion via this gear onto the rotating wheel. So because this gear was damaged when the reel mower engine was started and the clutch engaged, the reel would not rotate because the gears were not properly meshed. Thus the rotating motion wasn't transmitted. So what I will be doing now, I will be installing the new drive gear and fit up back the mower, and then I will do a test. So as you can see both the gears side by side, you can see that the one on the left, the gears are quite worn, while the one on the right, the gears are stood up. So you can clearly see that the one on the left has damaged gears, while the one on the right has all its gears intact. So now I will do the installation. So stay tuned. Alright, so before I put back the covering, I will just give the mower a start. Try to engage the clutch and see if the reel rotates. So as you can see, the reel is now rotating once again. With the worn gear, the reel wasn't able to rotate. So my next move will be to put back the covering, and then I give the lawn a mow. So this video is basically a reminder of the importance of maintenance and having a backup plan. So equipment failure, that's a normal part of using any piece of machinery. The key is to adapt and adapt quickly. And that will ensure that you are able to maintain your regular gardening routines. So whether it's mowing or pruning your lawn or whatever it might be. So thankfully the rotary scissors allowed me to maintain the lawn for just over a week. And the replacement gear has now arrived. And the lawnmower is once again mowing smoothly. And my lawns can once again receive their regular mowing. So that will do it for this video. The new intermediate gear was installed. The reel mower was tested and it ran quite smoothly. The lawns, both Zoysia and Bermuda, have all received their regular mows. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in future videos.